In this video, we will explain what Microsoft 365, formerly known as Office 365, is and what it can do. There are still a number of users who own Office 365 but do not know what it is, nor do they know the value it can bring to their productivity and efficiency. We hope that with this video, users will take full advantage of their Office 365 license. If you like our videos, please click the like button, or if you would like to see more of our videos, please click subscribe and the bell icon for notifications. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much.
Wanna ride me, catch a vibe with me, go get out with me, yeah. Shawty, I'm a riding G, I'm a dying piece, I'm a ride.
Office 365 is an online platform owned and created by Microsoft to host a suite of online business applications and productivity tools. To access Office 365, open your browser. In the address bar, type in the URL office.com. If you have already created an Office 365 account and logged in as we have, then you should be met with the home screen of Office 365. If not, we have created a video to show you how to create an Office 365 account. There will be a link to that video in the description below. On the Office 365 home screen, you will see icons for the most frequently used apps. To the left of that, you will have the ability to create new documents online with the Start New button. From here, you can create Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, notes in OneNote, quizzes and surveys with Microsoft Forms, and marketing documents with Microsoft Sway. All of this can be done without the need to leave your browser. To the right, you will have access to the entire library of applications available in Office 365. Applications like Planner for light project and team task management, Teams for workplace chat, video meetings, document collaboration and file storage, and Bookings to manage scheduling. This is just to name a few. In future videos, we will be covering all the applications in Office 365 individually and in detail. Navigating back to the home screen, we can see a section for recommended and recent documents. From here, documents can be pinned to return to later. You can also view documents recently shared with you or discover documents shared within your organization. The home screen also gives you the ability to access your OneDrive documents quickly and easily, or navigate to the SharePoint intranet sites within your organization. At the top left of the toolbar, you will see a hamburger menu for Office 365 App Launcher. This launcher essentially gives you access to everything you see on the home screen. The reason for this is that this menu is visible in all the Office 365 applications and allows you to have the home screen options available to you from any application within the platform. In the middle of the toolbar, there is a search bar. This allows you to search for anything within your Office 365 account, including apps, people, files, and SharePoint sites. Finally, To the far right of the toolbar, you can find your account and your organizational information, as well as your Office 365 settings. We will cover those in more detail in future videos. Office 365 is a powerful platform that has the ability to increase your productivity and efficiency. By combining best-in-class apps like Excel and Outlook with powerful cloud services like OneDrive and Microsoft Teams, Office 365 lets anyone create and share anything from anywhere on any device. We hope this video was helpful, and again, if you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button or subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much.